Check out the sandwich we're bringing you today. Pure magic. What a beauty. Super easy to make. Perfect for these summer days to take to the beach and show off like a real champion. And the result is guaranteed because it's super easy. Very few ingredients, very few steps. And look how juicy it is inside. Wow, that's amazing.
Did you think that in Valencia they only eat paella? Well, you're very wrong. Today I'm going to show you how to make Brascada, the authentic Valencian sandwich. A real wonder. Is it as tasty as paella? Or almost? I'm Viti. This is La Cocina de la Abuela. Stay until the end, I'm sure there's a trick or two.
First ingredient, half an onion, which we're going to use to make our sandwich incredibly juicy. Slice the onion. There it is, not too thin and not too thick, right in the middle. Once you have it, put it in a pan, add some olive oil, and we're going to soften, almost caramelize our onion.
For that, add a little bit of salt and set it to medium heat. First essential trick to make your sandwich turn out amazing. You have to caramelize the onion over low heat. Take your time so it melts in its own sugars. A delicacy fit for the gods. An important ingredient.
Essential for a good sandwich. Bam! A nice big piece. I don't like baguette, so I went for this one that's a bit more rustic, but not completely rustic because it needs to have some crumb, so it soaks up. Well, and the sandwich turns out perfect. What we're gonna do is cut the piece and open it in half. We leave it there and go back to the pan. See? It's already starting to get nicely softened, so as soon as it's ready, set it aside. Next, a beef steak, because this sandwich is top-notch. And in the same pan with a little more olive oil, we're gonna fry it. We're also gonna give it a touch of garlic, my way. A clove of garlic, finely chopped.
Existential question, and it has to do with garlic. Some people rub the bread with garlic, which is very traditional. Some people add an aioli with a bit of garlic, and it works beautifully. And I'm thinking, why not sliced garlic? Nice and golden brown. Along with that caramelized onion, I'm sure it would turn out amazing. Let me know in the comments, yes or no. I can already expect the purists to say no, but I think it would work really well. Should we do it?
I'll read your comments. We're gonna cook the steak on both sides. So as soon as it's been on one side for a few seconds, we flip it quickly. High heat, and we cook it on both sides. And now, don't forget a pinch of salt.
Second trick. Essential, thin steak. Don't use a thick chunk like this because it won't turn out well. Thin steaks.
I've only had it in the pan for a few seconds, 20 seconds, and it's perfect. So I take it out and set it aside. I want it to be really juicy. Final touch, Serrano ham. We need 2 slices of this wonder, and I'm going to fry them in the same pan with the steak's fat. Wow! As soon as it's like this, you flip it over. Just a little more. A couple of seconds, and you'll have the ham ready to be part of this wonderful sandwich. Come on. I'll have it ready in just a moment, and I'll get a plate ready and put the bread on it. And I'm going to make a sandwich that's really worth it. See that crumb? Come on. The first thing I put on is our steak, which I've cut in half so it fits the shape of the sandwich. And nobody can complain that everything falls out. You know. Next, I'm gonna add onion. Lots of onion. Well caramelized, well sauteed, nice and soft, nice and juicy. And this is the base of the sandwich. I'm telling you, be careful with the onion. There it is. And finally, the ham goes on top. Look at how the fat has turned transparent. This is a delight.
Well, if you've made it this far, it means you like sandwiches. So tell me in the comments which sandwich you want me to make for next week or in 2 weeks, because I'll make another one while summer's still here. These easy recipes are really appealing. And since you're here, take the opportunity to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give me a like, which helps me a lot and doesn't cost you anything. Like everything on this channel, which is free. That's it.
Second slice of ham, just as tasty as the previous one. I put it on top. And now I'll get the other piece of bread I have here. I put it on top. I press a little and it's done. Straight to the table. Strings! Brascada, the Valencian sandwich par excellence. A bite full of flavor, with a salty touch, with good quality meat, and it's a real showstopper. Take it to picnics, take it to the beach, take it wherever you want. And now I'm gonna cut it open, so you can see the inside. All the ingredients well mixed, the bread moistened, and the result is wonderful. So good. You have to make it.
I had a few loves. I'm going to be around here tonight. Beautiful mother, Andor riposo. Love, your gift, out of love. From the beautiful mother, let's do it! Killer knows, Rashid. He is